Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old man named Samuel. Samuel was well known throughout the village for his wisdom and patience. He had seen generations come and go, and his silver hair and wrinkled face were a testament to the passage of time. One bright morning, a group of young villagers approached Samuel with a question that had been on their minds for some time. "Samuel," one of them asked, "what is the most valuable thing in the world?" Samuel smiled, his eyes twinkling with a knowing glint. "The most valuable thing in the world, my dear children, is time." The young villagers were puzzled. They thought about gold and jewels, which were often considered valuable. But Samuel, another young person, said, "How can time be more valuable than treasures or riches?" Samuel gestured for them to sit in a circle around him. He began to weave a tale of his own experiences, of a time long ago when he was a young man. "In my youth," Samuel began, "I was just like you, chasing after dreams of wealth and success. I thought those were the most important things in life. But then, one day, I lost someone very dear to me." He paused, the memory etched in his eyes. "It was my sister, Emily. She was my closest friend and confidant. We used to play in these very fields, laughing and dreaming about the future. But one day, she fell ill, and the doctors could do nothing to save her." The young villagers listened intently, their curiosity piqued. Samuel continued, "As Emily lay on her deathbed, she looked at me with a weak smile and said, 'Samuel, remember that time is the most precious gift we have. It's not gold or jewels that matter, but the moments we spend with the ones we love.'" Tears welled up in Samuel's eyes as he recalled his sister's words. "From that day on, I realized the true value of time. I started cherishing every moment, spending it with family and friends, and helping those in need. I found that in giving my time to others, I received something far more precious in return: love and happiness." The young villagers sat in silence, reflecting on Samuel's story. They understood that time was a gift, and its value lay not in hoarding it but in sharing it with those who mattered most. Years passed, and the young villagers grew into wise adults themselves. They carried Samuel's lesson with them, passing it on to the next generation. The village flourished, not because of material wealth, but because of the strong bonds formed by the people who cherished their time together. And so, in that quiet village among the rolling hills, the legacy of Samuel lived on as a reminder to all that the most valuable treasure one could possess was the time they shared with others, for it was in those moments that life's true richness was found.